Slab lifting handle. This adjustable handle for lifting slabs is the ideal device for moving and installing shimmed slabs in raised floor systems. Slab lifting handle is a handy, practical metal lifting handle with adjustable opening and is perfect for moving slabs with ease using just one hand. If slabs are the same shape, once the handle has been adjusted to the first one, it can then be used for the entire raised floor. The handle has a wide range of opening positions and can be adjusted to suit slabs from 39 to 62 centimeters long. The handle has an ergonomic grip and a lever on each side for easy adjustment to the opening required for the shimmed slab. So users can pass from one slab to the next thanks to this simple locking mechanism. The slab lifting handle is also suitable for carrying out inspection work on raised floors. Apply pressure to release slab lifting handle from the slab. The handle can be folded to make it more compact and easier to carry. Slab lifting handle, adjustable handle for lifting slabs. Find out more at Profilpas.com and at mapei.com.